Hi folks, I'm Doug at Dizzy Lizzie's, and this is a Stihl HS45 hedge trimmer that's come in because I need to replace the throttle cable. But in this video I'm not going to go on about fitting the cable. I had a comment when I put a video out about cleaning the switch, and they said, how do you remove it? Okay, well here's an opportunity, so let's show you how I remove the on-off switch so you can get it out to clean it. Now, one of the things I've done is I've clamped, because that's got the pull cord, because the pull cord handle is over the top of there. Now, in my little screwdriver kit I got from Lidl's comes one of these, and it's only a 1/2 mm diameter flat blade screw. Where you've got the on-off switch, you basically place this underneath the centre and just gently lever it out. Lever it on the side, and then it just pops out. Now you've got two connectors underneath there. Sometimes they pop off, you need to clamp them back down, but it's helpful if you have a pair of long nose pliers to hold on to them to help take them off of here. Refitting is the same. You just basically push that in, connect up the connector onto there, push it back in, and that's it, refitted, ready to work. After you've checked that when it's on and off you have the correct connectivity. Now I've connected the two terminals up. It's literally to push it in, and that's it. Well, I hope that little short video was helpful, and good luck if you have one of these machines that has a switch that seems like it needs a clean. Yeah, because it won't shut off full start. So no, hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button. If it was found really helpful, hit the subscribe button. But until next video, where I probably fit this, I'll see you then. Take care, bye.